Next up we have Invinciblemusic. Make some noise for Invinciblemusic.
Yeah, I don't know, you know, Invincible in my place, and I don't know. I'm like looking at the show, you know, for every great talent out there, see me? I don't know, respect to every hustler out there and every chopper, every go-getter, every hard-working people, you see me? I'm gonna say, oh, Kingston, Waltham, down a town. I'm gonna say, oh, JS, them know, man start from scratch, and me never look back, so me shoot at the ear, like plane, me want my bank, book tall like skyscraper, kill them with my touch, foundation, settings, one stand strong, family them, and the team happy, alright, fashion group, one team, one dream, invincible, and they am upon them, dress up in a black and white, it around the street, eagle, so my gone, pan a money praise, stocking up the bread, every day, million a day, now my bank, fashion group, million a day, now we bank cook, Waltham, million a day, so me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank cook, Portmore, million a day, now we bank cook, uptown, Papi, Eastside, Vientown, bad mind envious people, don't like sweat, get to use a elevate, me have money machine, we make fast food man well focused, so me never drop yard man wild up, touching at the street for the bricks right now, the bricks truck see me, and pay me, right now mastermind, cash God, action, president, to a house and car, be it, y'all a swarm me, gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank, fashion crew, million a day, now we bank book, Waltham, million a day, so me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank book, Portmore, million a day, now we bank, uptown, Papi, Eastside, Vientown, you don't know, there's some architect and the ladies, I mean, you don't know, I'm gonna say, oh, Backbush, Hollywood Lane, Kingston, Waltham, you know, out here, you know, every hustler, daily, you see me? China man, you don't know, Invincible, I represent fashion crew, you see me? I want code, you know, yeah. So me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank book, fashion crew, million a day, now we bank book, Waltham, million a day, so me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank book, Portmore, million a day, now my bank, uptown, Papi, Eastside, Vientown, see me? Out here all the time brawling, Invincible, I represent fashion crew, you see me? Yeah man, no joke man, you don't know respect to every hard-working people and thing out there, you understand me? Yeah man, $1 million, you don't know a thing going on. I want code, you know? Oh, yeah. So me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank, fashion crew, million a day, now we bank, Waltham, million a day, so me gone pan a money praise, stocking up the bread every day, million a day, now my bank, Portmore, million a day, now we bank, uptown, Papi, Eastside, Vientown, yeah man, brawler, Invincible, check me out on YouTube, Instagram, you see me, Invinciblemusic, Vivo, yeah, you see me? Out here all the time, man. More people, enough respect, you see me? Yes. One code, you know.
What do you think about Invinciblemusic? What the audience them say? Wanna like how Invincible sound? Yeah. Nah man, do justice to Invincible man. What the audience them say? How Invincible sound? Yeah man, Invincible are go on, you know? As them say, catch ya. One more. Yeah, alright. So what does the judges say about Invinciblemusic?
Alright, the mic not reach me yet, but we think I can hear we still. My potential, you see me? Want some work, but my potential. I'd love to hear something else to say how high and what we have to work with. You know? For we can judge pan basically. You get me? So I don't mind for give one another rhythm and make we hear something else. So we see what Invincible are. Invinciblemusic.
Yes, sir. Okay, next judge, let me hear what you have to say.
Alright, I like the chorus was catchy. Alright, and I like how you could have been done a little bit more in terms of movement. Chorus was awesome, as well as the verses could have done a little bit more, but it was good. So as the previous judge said, it could potential is there, and hope that you go to the next round and that we can see more of it.
I totally agree as well. I do think the lyrics wanted a bit more punch. I mean, yeah, a million a day, but how do you get the million a day? It's in your bank book, but you know, give it more punch, right? I agree, interact with the audience more. Maybe it's, I don't know, it's because of the first night you seem a little bit shy. Maybe I'm wrong, but yeah, I think more lyrics and, you know, let's see what happens.